Hi guys, now we're heading towards Jung Falls, which is also known as Nuranang Falls. It is just 2 kilometers away from Jung town. You can see the beautiful river streams on the way. There you see the magic. Oh my god, so beautiful. I have seen lots of rainbows in my life, but this is my first time that I'm seeing rainbow from very close quarter. It is so near. It's kind of different experience I'm having. Oh my god. Hi guys, if you really want to experience this site, I could suggest you all to visit Arunachal Pradesh, Tawang district. It's very beautiful. I guarantee that you won't regret visiting this place. That's my second elder sister. I have three elder sisters. And this is a beautiful Tawang river. तन्हाई 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 दोनों को पास ले आई. Guys, this is the place where this famous song Tanhai Tanhai of Madhuri Dixit and Shah Rukh Khan was filmed here. It was shooted in this place. That's my elder sister again, and my other elder sister. Actually, my father wanted us to see in this Monpa traditional attire. So we're just trying the traditional dress.
Either.
Thank you guys for watching my videos. Please like कर देना, subscribe कर देना, और at least once in your lifetime अरुणाचल प्रदेश visit करना और नॉर्थ ईस्ट part of India को ज़रूर visit करना. You won't regret. Thank you so much.